What a cute little Elizabethan china made by Crownford. Quite a period one this. The pattern's called Garland. We wouldn't normally list this because it has got some condition warnings that we're going to show you here. Can you see the staining around the base here that's starting to creep upwards? And you can see where it's affected the base plate here because the glaze has been worn away on the lip. It's quite recessed this, where they've got the Elizabethan pictorial mark there. Garland hand decorated fine bone china, 1950s 1960s this, and they are rare. It's just a small china mug, as you can see, not a full size mug, 3-inch diameter, 3-inch tall, slight little bit of flaring on the very edge of the rim, but nothing too pronounced there. And then this large classic sort of mid-century loop handle. Would have had a lot more gilt, I think, around the inner walls here. You can see the remnants of it, whether, well, it would have been gilt. Here you go, you got a line of it coming down the handle in a not particularly well positioned way on that handle, to be fair. So it would have had a lot more gilt on it, so do be aware. We're only listing it because these are incredibly rare, and we know there's collections out there that people are looking for these, trying to source them, and they don't come to the market particularly often. But do be aware it has got this staining, which I don't think will be removable. Could be bleached potentially out, because this will be permeable to a degree, but whether it will come out completely, I doubt it very much. Inside, very nice and clean, very usable, nothing wrong to use it, but it's not in perfect factory condition either. It's available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Won't be a lot of money because of its condition, but somebody somewhere will want it, and we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the listing so you can find out more about it. Thanks for watching.